Hello, welcome to Goodwill Company. You can call and WhatsApp on your number. You are seeing your screen, and also I would like to tell the company deal in manpower supply. As you are seeing the photo on the screen, our director, Sir Naeem Kunal Sharma, has given a message to the supporter who give these values a time and support to company. Let's show you the map screen which profile is company operating in housekeeping, security, maintenance, more facility, the company providing the manpower. This is the billing structure of the company in which you can see how the company does the bill. It has GST even without GST, and all the compliance are also there. You can see the screen, they are reflecting all these things which is company deal with the client. And one more thing, you will get to see how to company goal make sense, thought map and dreams. Here you will get a chance to see the journey of the company from its interaction till now and move forward. It is the company has already made it target as how many more employee it has to take and how much turnover it has to take and increase it. Our company has adopted a very easy way to join. You can join on any date through email, through phone, through website, directly by visiting the office. You can see also the office address. Our company is registered in every field, be it GST, MSME, ESI, PF, or any other registration. They are visible on your screen. The working style of the company is a completely different. Everyone has given this work on different department which they can their work in a very easy way. You can see the screen, accountant team, marketing team, operating team, or supporting staff. That is the structure of the team where work is. Thank you very much to giving you so much of your patience time, and hope that you will be very good and we will join